Hello, in this video I will show you how you can switch flashlight on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to swipe down your quick settings menu and swipe down again, and you should find here flashlight somewhere. And if you have no flashlight here, maybe you have to add this feature to your quick settings. So if you have no flashlight over here, click on these three dots in the top right corner and click Edit Tiles. And in the more tiles you should find flashlight. So you have to add this to your quick settings. And now to use the flashlight, you just simply have to click on it. And now, as you can see, my flashlight is enabled. Also, I will show you how you can change the flash by holding it. You can change the intensity of the flashlight. So you can do it simply from your quick settings. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.